Hey guys, this is a super weird noise, but I'm in Denver. I just got to my hotel and I'm like hearing all these noises. You hear that? Yeah, it's super crazy out here. And there's like thunder. And it takes a while, so yeah. This video will be very whatever. That's never mind. Remember in my last video I said we need to get 5,000 likes? If you don't get about like 5,000 likes, then I'll start doing more live streams. And I'll start doing that for a while. But yeah, so I don't know, it's just kind of like boring. It's like this weird noise. It's been going on and on like for 10 or 5 minutes. I know it's a really long time. I know there's like lots of cars right now. I'm just in the city. Well, not in the city. Somewhere. I don't know. And it is super big here. Check it out. Whoa! I saw thunder. They're mostly coming over there, so I'm gonna put the camera that way. So there is lots of bees here, so I think you should be aware that if you're allergic to bees or wasps, some things you don't want to be attacked by. The cool thing is there's not too many things that could hurt you on water, apparently. Like, well, there's no ocean here, so that's good. So, yeah. So, tell me in the description if you guys see any thunder. If you guys do, then comment down below. So, yeah. And we might make this video like 10 minutes long or 5. Let's make it 5 minutes long because I don't have that much time. I gotta go somewhere after this, I think. Keep watching. So, why is this noise never stopping? It's just a regular noise that comes from the sky. Super weird. I'm so afraid. Look at this. I'm afraid that my phone's gonna drop out of my hand and break. That would be like so scary. I can't make any videos. Oh, this would be the worst. Oh, I'm looking the other way, so comment down below. Comment down below. I'm just checking how much time we had on this video. Yeah, but this is super mysterious right now. Like, you guys hear that? Like, that's coming from the sky. Like, from the sky. Like, how is this happening? Like, I heard mysterious, like, noises on YouTube videos. I think this might be one. The same. So, yeah, this right now has been 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Right now. And I haven't seen any thunder since then. I'm just saying, I'm just gonna make one right in the morning. So yeah, I don't want to make this weird. Guys, I gotta change something. But soon I will, when we get about the silver play button, I'll try and make a YouTube Red video. YouTube Red, like Dan TDM or all those kind of YouTubers. And it has been 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So gotta end this here. I was just showing you this weird noise, some lightning. It's kind of weird here. Also, bees, be aware. Please be aware. There's bees if you're allergic to bees or hate bees. I suggest to be aware of those. So, see you guys another day. Bye!